Hello, it's attorney Jessica Tate here again to be able to talk about issues that involve family and divorce. Now, what do you do when you're thinking about filing for divorce? One thing I tell my clients to do is give a list of all the assets and debts that you have. Write down the assets that are in the home, like the couch, the furniture, the lamps, and give values to those items, as well as get a good understanding of what debts that you have out there. Debts is credit card debts, medical bills, any unpaid loans. The day that you file, that day is the day that the judge looks at what assets and debts get divided. And so if you take out a $10,000 loan the day before the divorce is filed, then that $10,000 loan is what they consider marital property, and it gets divided 50-50. And so that's why it's so important to know what assets you have and what debts that you have on the day that the divorce is filed. And what courts try to do is what they call an equitable division of marital property. And sometimes that's a 50-50 split, and then sometimes that may not be what's fair because we're dealing with alimony, or we're dealing with other spousal support issues, or there may be other debts out there. So courts will look at that and they may assess those numbers. Maybe it's not quite 50-50, maybe 60-40. You just want to make sure you know before you file what kind of assets we're looking at and what kind of debts that we're looking at.